Hello and welcome to my studio journal. Now back in 2022, I started to redesign my home studio, shifting from software to hardware for the first time. What began as a few videos for some curious students soon became an ongoing unfiltered record. My regular mic isn't working, but anyhow, this isn't necessarily, it's for the studio, but the fact is that it has more to do with I have a chair, and the chair is no longer, well, it looks pretty horrible. So instead of going out and buying a new chair, I thought I would give this office chair cover a go and see what it's like. Anyhow, we'll put it on to see how this actually turns out. I'm not even sure this chair is going to fit in the thing, but we'll see what happens. I'm not entirely convinced. I mean, it was only 30 some odd dollars, so yeah. If you'd like to follow the full journey, check out my online studio journal linked in the description. Until next time, I'm just a music teacher having fun. Catch you on the next one.